What's up, Jaguar students? It's your friendly neighborhood math teacher, Mr. Allred, and we're here at Unit 9, mini lesson number 3. We're going to talk about surface area of prisms and pyramids today. You should be able to explain how to find the surface area of a 3D shape to a friend when it's all said and done. That'll be your goal, okay, your learning goal. We've talked so far in this unit about volume of prisms and pyramids. We definitely found the difference between prisms and pyramids in their volume. And surface area is quite a bit different than volume. We're going to talk about what it is right now. Okay. Yeah, surface area. Woo! It's going to be awesome. Okay. Surface area is just like wrapping a Christmas present or painting your house. Instead of volume, which is the space inside a shape, think about volume as filling something up. Surface area is the area covering a shape, wrapping it, painting it, okay? Whenever you wrap a Christmas present, you're experimenting with surface area, the area surrounding a three-dimensional shape. The truth is, there's a couple of quick and easy steps you can use to find the surface area of a 3D figure. You need to first identify the shape. You need to count the number of faces, the number of sides that it has, figure out what those faces are, what kind of 2D shapes they are, find the area of each face, and then add up all the areas. That'll help you best find the surface area, the area covering the shape of that 3D shape you have. We're going to use this triangular prism right here as an example. Okay, when I see it, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. The first thing I see is a triangle, and I do see a triangle just like it on this side, and an identical triangle just like it on the other side. I'm going to sketch that triangle. Looks kind of just like that. Has a 4 centimeter base and a 6 centimeter height. Okay, I can find the area of one of those triangles by doing 4 times 6 and getting 24, and then doing 24 divided by 2, base times height divided by 2, and getting 12 centimeters squared. The truth is there's 2 triangles just like that one, so I'm going to take account for that at the end when I add up all my areas. But I do see 2 triangles just like that one. There's a smaller rectangle on the bottom. The small rectangle is about to be highlighted on your screen in purple. Looks just like this one right here on the bottom. It has dimensions of 12 and 4, and I've drawn it right here for you on the screen. A 4 by 12 rectangle. 4 times 12 is 48 centimeters squared, and the truth is there's just one of those, just one rectangle, just like that one. Okay, there are 2 bigger rectangles on either side. I'm about to highlight those for you in red. There's one on one right side of the triangular prism, and there's one just like it on the other side. Those rectangles are 7 by 12. They're about to be drawn for you on your screen, sketched for you. They are 7 by 12 rectangles. The area of one of them, 7 times 12, is 84 centimeters squared, and there are 2 rectangles just like it. So now that I have the area of each face, I know what the area of each face is and how many of those faces there are, I can use that information from the chart to determine the surface area of the prism by multiplying each area that I have by the number of sides of that shape. And then I'm going to add up all the areas. Okay? I knew that when I looked at those triangles that I had 2 triangles just like it. That's what I wrote down. So when I got 12 centimeters squared for one of them, I know there's 2 just like it. I'm going to do 2 times 12 and get 24. 2 triangles just like each other in green there on your screen. Okay? When I looked at the smaller rectangle on the bottom, there was just one of those. So I'm only going to add 48 into the mix here. I got 24 and 48. Those bigger rectangles on the right and left, there's 2 of those, and one of them is worth 84 centimeters squared. And I'm going to take 2 of those. 2 times 84 is 168. So far I have 24, 48, and 168. Those represent the areas of the 2 triangles, the smaller rectangle, and the 2 bigger rectangles. Okay? I'm going to take all my areas of all my sides, and I add them all up. 24 plus 48 plus 168 is 240 centimeters squared. That is the surface area of that entire triangular prism right here. 240 centimeters squared. All it is, I found the area of each face and then added up all the areas after I figured out how many identical faces I had. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here with this triangular prism. I'm just going to do one more example for you, and then I'll leave you on your own. Okay, this triangular prism is, in fact, a triangular prism. Go figure. Yes, and it has 5 different faces. In fact, it has 2 triangles in red, just like these triangles right here. Okay, and then it actually has 3 different rectangles on it. It has a 5x7 rectangle on this side. It has a 4x7 rectangle on the bottom in green. And then it has a 3x7 rectangle on the back left side of it. Okay, the triangles are worth 4x3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So one of these triangles that I'm about to highlight for you here in blue is worth 6 centimeters squared. There's 2 of them, so I did 6 times 2 and got 12 feet squared. That represents both triangles. The rectangle A is the one I'm calling this 4x7 rectangle here on the bottom. I'm about to highlight it for you here in purple, down here on the bottom. It has an area of 28 feet squared. Rectangle B is the 5x7 rectangle up here on the right side in purple. It's 35 feet squared for its area. And then rectangle C is over here on the back side of it in purple. It's a 3x7 rectangle right here on the back side of it. 3 times 7 is 21 feet squared. I'm going to take 12 and add the 28, add the 35, add the 21. That represents all the faces of that shape. And 12 plus 28 is 40, plus 35 is 75, plus 21 is 96 feet squared for the surface area of that entire triangular prism. So now we found the surface area of 2 triangular prisms. Again, surface area is just the area covering a shape, okay? And you're going to work through the rest of those here with a partner. There's a key on my counter. Definitely ask a question to Edpuzzle when it's done. Remember to stay classy. Don't be trashy. Of all my students that I've ever taught, you are one of them. Have a great day. Thank you.